Rabbit becomes a chef. Have you ever gotten tired of doing the same thing every single day? When that feeling hits, what do you usually do? In today's story, Rabbit felt the same way. She got a little bored and started to grumble, just a little. But then, she made a choice. Something has to change. She tried and failed. Tried again and failed again. But here's the special part. Rabbit didn't give up. She watched, she thought, she got creative. And in the end, she came up with a surprising way to solve her problem. It's a simple story, but it holds powerful lessons. Emotional regulation, positive thinking, and creative problem solving. Let's dive in and see what Rabbit did. Every day, I eat raw carrots, Rabbit said to herself. I'm tired of raw carrots. What can I do to make these better? That afternoon, she went to a farmer's house and saw a pot boiling over the fire. Just as she was getting an idea, the farmer's dog came barking after her. Thought Rabbit, what should I do now? Rabbit tried leaving the carrots in the sun. But the carrots remained just as raw as before. Then she tried putting them in the fire. When she tasted them, they were bitter. She thought and thought and thought about what to do. Finally, she had an idea. First, she found an old tortoiseshell. Then, she collected some sticks and 3 stones. Hooray! Rabbit finally had a way to cook her carrots. She was so excited that she invited all her friends. And they all had a meal of delicious cooked carrots. Takeaway point: don't give up when things don't go your way. Try new ideas, and you might find a better solution.